Alright, welcome back to the Midden Computer Trading channel. In the last episode, we saw how to turn a simple text prompt into a full video with CapCut AI. But what if you already have a script? Maybe for a presentation, a lesson, or a YouTube video. Well, CapCut AI can transform that script into a video automatically. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to use script to video AI. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more beginners can learn with us. Let's jump right into the tutorial. First, log into CapCut, click on Tools, and select Script to Video. You'll see a box where you can paste your script. In the next step, paste your script into the box. For this demo, I'll use a short motivational script. Success is built step by step. Stay focused, keep learning, and never give up. Now, choose a style that matches your content. If you're making a lesson, you might pick professional. For an inspiring clip, cinematic works great. Let's choose cinematic. Now click Generate, and CapCut AI does the magic. It takes your script and automatically builds a video complete with background clips, matching music, and animated text. You don't have to settle for the first draft. You can edit the video just like a normal CapCut project, change the text design, swap video clips, or even add your own images and voiceovers. This is where you give it your personal touch. When you're done, click Export, select your resolution. 1080p is usually perfect, and save it. Now your script is a professional video, ready to share. Let's recap the process. 1. Open Script to Video. 2. Paste your script. 3. Pick a style. 4. Generate the video. 5. Customize and export. That's how you turn a script into a complete video using AI, and that's how easy it is to use CapCut script to video AI. Whether you're making lessons, motivational content, or business promos, this tool saves hours of editing and gives you a solid video foundation to build on. In our next episode, we'll look at another time-saving tool, Auto Subtitles AI, which instantly creates captions for your videos. So, if you enjoyed this demo, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And in the comments, tell me, what kind of script would you turn into a video first? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.